Hi everyone, Angela here. Do you have a pair of jeans that fit really well but it's just a little bit too tight in the waist and you can't do it up comfortably? And there's no give in the waistband? I'll show you two different ways you can expand the waist on each side. We won't add anything on the back so we don't have to touch the loop in the back or the loops on the sides. Mark on the waistband straight up from the side seam, then mark 1 inch on each side of that line. You can do less or more. I'm using 2-inch wide elastic that's slightly wider than the waistband. Use any color that you'd like. Cut a piece the same width that you marked. Center it onto the side, making sure that the top edges are even, then pin each side of the elastic onto the waistband. Stitch straight down each side close to the edge. Trim the threads and turn over. On the back, remove the waistband stitching between the two stitch lines. Separate the waistband from the jean, then carefully cut the waistband only between the two stitch lines. This edge here is not cut away. Set to the widest zigzag stitch and a very short stitch length. Check that the zigzag stitch will cover the outer edge of the elastic. Stitch all around, backtacking well at the top edges and pivoting at the corners. On the back, trim away the excess fabric close to the satin stitch. Now you can use any color elastic or thread to create the look that you'd like. So now it looks like you have a little patch, but it gives you quite a bit of stretch. You can also use a wider elastic and take it down closer to the hip. On the other side, mark the side seam again and 1 inch on each side. This time, take it down so it's about 1 inch above the top of the pocket. Round out the corners, then carefully cut out this piece. If you're finding this helpful, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. This time, instead of using elastic, I'm using an off-cut piece of denim that has some stretch lycra in it. You can use any fabric blended with lycra. Fold in half and make sure it's longer than the cutout. Mark across the top of the fold and then place it underneath the jeans, lining up the fold with the top edges of the waistband. Trace the cutout shape onto the fabric. Then on the jeans, draw a line all around about 1/2 inch in from the cut edge. Pull the fabric piece out, add 1/2 inch all around and open up. Cut across the fold, around the outer line and across the fold again. This is for the front. Fold again and then cut the back out so that it's a bit bigger than the front. Turn the jeans inside out. Place the jeans in between the fabric piece. Line up the raw edge with the mark on the jeans, then pin all around through all the layers. Check the fabric on the back that it's all caught and is nice and flat. Zigzag all around, backtacking at the start and finish, and make sure that the raw edges are inside the zigzag stitch. Now zigzag in the other direction, just at the corners. Carefully trim away the excess fabric on the back and steam away the chalk marks on the front. This method gives you a bit more stretch on the waistband and along the high hip. Leave a comment, let me know where you're watching from and what you think. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, take care and happy sewing.